Another day and another lab from China has released an Apache 2 open weights model. Agents-A1 is a 35 billion parameter mixture of expert agentic model from Intern Science, a Shanghai AI lab affiliated group. It's designed for long horizon agent tasks like search, tool use, scientific research, engineering, and instruction following. The pitch of this model is that a 35 billion model trained with a strong process level infrastructure can approach the performance of trillion parameter models like Kimi K2.6 and DeepSeek V4 on several of these tasks. It's released under Apache 2 and we are going to install its GGUF quantized version which are already up on Hugging Face. If you don't have that much VRAM, you can even go with Q4KM. So let's get right into it. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Recently, I also have started this free weekly AI newsletter at fahadmirza.substack.com. If you're interested, please feel free to subscribe. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. I have one GPU card NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very good price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. Now let's quickly download the model with its mmproj vision file and I will describe it shortly. And while it downloads, let's try to unpack its architecture in very simple words so that we all are on the same page while testing. As I said, it's a mixture of expert model. So instead of one giant network doing everything, it has many smaller experts or subnetworks and only a fraction activate per token. So it's quite cheaper to run. But this is not a difference here. What makes it different is the training process, not just the architecture. Intern Science built something they call a knowledge action infrastructure, which is a system that records not just the final answer, but the entire chain of whole actions. And the training sides of things are also quite interesting. It happens in three stages. First, a broad fine tune across all domains, then separate specialist teacher model trained deeply in one domain each, like search, science, coding, and so on. And finally, all those specialists get distilled back into one single 35 billion model through a process they call on policy distillation. So instead of scaling up parameters, they're scaling up the horizon, how long and how well the model can reason and can act over an extended task. And that is all there is to it. Let's go back to our terminal. Our model is almost downloaded. And now let's serve this model with llama.cpp. I already have llama.cpp installed. If you don't know how to get it installed, just search my channel. The model is being served. Let me show you the VRAM consumption. So consuming just around 26 gig of VRAM. I think that is pretty decent for this quant. So for the first task, let's do a scientific reasoning by giving it a wind tunnel aerodynamics diagram and see if it actually understands the physics, not just describe this picture. So this is just an AI generated one. I'm going to give it this prompt. Let me select that image from my local system and let me run this. The model has come back with the response. And if you look here, we asked it to explain why a laminar separation bubble forms and what happens to the boundary layer from slat to trailing edge using only the flow visualization panel in the image, nothing else. And from the response, you can see that the model gave a genuinely correct aerodynamics explanation where the slats accelerates flow into a suction peak, the adverse pressure gradient that follows, and all that physics stuff I'm not going to go into. The thing is that it is a real domain reasoning, not just image captioning. Solid result for a 35 billion parameter model in this Q8 quant. Let's now do a few more tests. For the next test, I'm going to use this Hermes agent because I want it to create this application by just looking at this image, and it is going to show us that if it could use tools, it could search the net and then do a lot of things around this building of this application, and then we will also test out this application in our local system. So let me run that prompt. I'm going to just configure this image is attached, and now let's give it this prompt. It is just going to build that single HTML file as in this image. It is still working through that prompt. You can see that it is over 12 minutes now. The model is very slow. This is one thing I can tell you. It does really deep thinking. Now, while it thinks, let's have a very quick look at this benchmarking information which they have shared. Agents-A1 leads its weight class across several long horizon search and scientific reasoning tests, and long horizon, that is why so much time. But it beats even some of the larger frontier models outright on a handful of them. Though on raw coding heavy tasks, the bigger closed models still come out ahead, as you can see from this, like Kimi K2.6 and even DeepSeek V4 Pro plus OpenAI's GPT 5.5. So that is a benchmark, but let's wait for it to finish producing this file and we will check out. The model has created the file. Let's check it out together. I'm going to open this file. I'm dragging dropping. There you go. So it has created the app with the same spelling mistakes, as you can see, which is fine. I wanted it to follow the instructions, which it has done. And all the cards are responsive. I'm just going to click on this home task. Yep, let's click on dashboard, projects, and also the focus goes there. So it has done what I asked it to do. And I also asked it to see if this pencil task works. Yes, it works. Let's click on this pencil. So edit works. And then you can also check this one out. So look pretty good, I would say. It has built this tab application by just looking at that image. Now for the final test, I'm going to give it this prompt to write me a 4-sentence product description for a wireless keyboard. Do not use these words. The third sentence must contain a number. End the response with a question aimed at the reader. Do not use any exclamation mark. So this is a kind of test which tells us if it really satisfies those benchmarks like if eval and if bench, and then we will check out the response here. And look at the response of the model. All four constraints satisfied, no banned words, third sentence has a number 6 months, no exclamation marks, ends on a question, clean pass on multi-constraint instruction following. So that's it. Agents-A1 held up across reasoning, vision, and strict instruction following, solid proof that a well-trained 35 billion model can punch well above its size even in this contest format. Let me know what do you think. If you want to help out the channel, please become a member. Recently few people have also bought me a coffee, so thank you so much for that generosity. Thanks for all the support.